My name's Kelly, and I like to do crossword puzzles.
Mhm.
Yeah? You solving it?
Sure.
That's good.
Mhm.
You getting smarter while you're doing it?
Hopefully.
Oh, good. So what'd you do today?
Stuff?
Crossword puzzles.
Crossword puzzles?
Yeah?
Mhm.
Oh, good. Anything else?
Drove you to work?
Yep.
Drove you home from work?
Yep.
Stopped for a movie while we were there, though.
Yeah?
Mhm.
A movie.
Mhm.
Not a stilly.
A film.
Yeah. You have to call it a film, huh?
Yep.
Yeah? What movie?
A movie you've probably never heard of. That's how cool I am. And in a film you've never heard of.
Yeah? What was it?
Perry Deschat. No, that's
No.
totally wrong. It's called A Cat in Paris.
I think it's V.A. Deschat.
It doesn't say Paris on it?
It doesn't say Paris. No, not in the French title.
American title is A Cat in Paris.
I think it's just A Cat in the City in French, but that doesn't mean anything to us because the city is obviously Paris. Yeah, so it was A Cat in Paris, huh?
It was in French, if you didn't get that.
Yep. So they just took a camera and filmed a cat walking around Paris?
Pretty much. Attached it to its collar.
You're silly.
Well, we're at Disney, so it was an animated movie.
Yeah, 'cause all movies they show there are animated. Yeah.
Yep.
No, it was animated. What'd you think?
It was interesting.
Interesting, huh?
The French always have weird animation, I feel like. Or the only things I see, they have weird animation styles.
Oh, you're talking about the style.
Yeah.
Oh. I thought the style was fun.
Yeah, it was okay, but I don't know. I feel like here in America we strive for as realistic as possible. But there we're like more artsy.
Well, not necessarily. I mean, Disney had Disney style, obviously. And then like Don Bluth, you know, and then there was things like the Jetsons and Tom and Jerry, and they weren't very realistic. But
They didn't look like that.
no. Yeah, I mean, definitely it was a style that you didn't see here in the U.S. very much, but so that's interesting. That's the first thing that you talk about is the style of film.
You've tainted me.
I would have talked about the story first.
And Scarlett tainted me.
Okay. Yeah. What'd you think of the story?
It's fine.
Yeah? I enjoyed the story. I thought it was a good story.
Seemed kind of generic.
You think so?
Good.
What? But there's so much parkour.
That's why you liked it. But it was animated parkour, so it's kind of weird.
Yeah, you think that's weird?
Apparently you need to practice parkour with a little girl on your back.
Yeah, obviously.
If you want to meet the ladies anyway.
No, that was a good film. I enjoyed it.
Yeah, it was fun. It's interesting.
Yeah.
Not what I'm used to.
I guess I took animation, history of animation in school, and so I got to see all the weird stuff. You haven't seen weird stuff.
I didn't say it was weird.
So I thought it was pretty standard, if you ask me. Yeah. pretty traditional.
It's Kelly and Dave's movie time.
Oh
Like
yeah.
5 movies with Kelly.
And Dave.
But we never sing that song anymore.
No, man,
So sad.
slackers.
Mhm.
Good on ya. For remembering
Oh.
and singing. So, yeah, anything else important to say?
Nope.
No, good. I don't think you've moved this whole video. I don't think I've moved this whole video.
Good.
Yeah. So static.
Sorry.
Well, say something like a movie critic.
2 stars.
That's not very good.
I forget what's the most stars things can have. So I didn't want to say 5 and then it could only have 4 stars.
Well, it depends on the reviewer, I believe. But
Okay.
the safe bet is 2 thumbs way up.
Right.
Yeah.
How about 2 thumbs partly up?
That's normally
way up.
1 thumb up.
Yeah, I think so. 2 half thumbs is 1 thumb.
Sure. Okay, say goodbye.
Bye.